republic in the Philippines. Now, if you live here, you will know that being able to adapt is a key for making it here, or for some just making by. Anyway, we did a song about some unexpected consequences for our so-loved Angeles. Please enjoy.
I used to know you like the back of my hand. Late nights, bright lights, that neon lamp. But now it's Red Street and that old spark's gone. I try to find you, but I can't hold on. You changed your name and the world lost track. The heart of you ain't coming back. I can't follow you from home no more. You're fading from maps, from screens, from lore. 3 strokes in 6 months, how do you survive? Even the strong don't always stay alive. Price is up, but the soul feels small. And I don't see the girl I knew at all. Where are you going, Angeles? You're drifting too far. I can't make the call. You dressed your road in fresh cement, but the magic's gone and the joy feels spent. One truck at a time and heads held low. A street like that don't let your spirit show. You ban the lenses, the filming too. Now fewer folks will ever know you. The story stopped, the views went dim. You shut the door just as life poured in. 3 strokes in 6 months, how do you survive? Even a patient wouldn't make it out alive. You raised the curtain but turned off the stage, and locked up your laughter in a quiet cage. Where are you going, Angeles? You're slipping away like a forgotten page. I can't follow you from home, and new hearts may never roam. They'll never know the fabulous you, the wild, the warm, the midnight truth. Where are you going, Angeles? Whatever you're changing, I hope it still feels like you.